pythons, which are in colored crust right now, and we'll end up here. Based on the feel, we want to mill these a little bit to get them softer before we apply the final color and finishing. So we put them in this drum. Okay, so the drum door has been sealed, and now we are going to shut the gate. The stop button had been on there, the emergency stop button, so you got to pull that out, then hit start. Now you got a drum that's going to run. We're probably going to let that run for about an hour to just bang the skins around with a little bit of heat to get them soft. All right, enough time has passed that now we are going to stop the drum and unload it. You grab things like this. Here they are, a lot softer than they were. Can you explain what you're doing here?
I'm mixing the top coat with a little color in it for the python.
Spraying against the grain into the grain, so the coverage is better underneath the scale. We formulated the dye. That's the dye we know